One nut rolling by the tree, Squirrel picks it up with glee. Two nuts bouncing down the hill, Chipmunk grabs them. What a thrill! Three nuts falling, plip, plip, plop. Bunny hops to help them stop. Count with me! 1, 2, 3! Count and giggle, giggle and count. Nuts are fun in any amount. Crunchy, bouncy, round and small. Let's count together, one and all. Four nuts rolling in a line, Raccoon stacks them, looking fine. Five nuts spinning in the air, Deer catches one with gentle care. Six nuts wobble, whoa, don't fall. Owl swoops in to save them all. Count with me! 4, 5, 6! Count and giggle, giggle and count. Nuts are fun in any amount. Crunchy, bouncy, round and small. Let's count together, one and all. 7 nuts rolling by the lake, Beaver builds a nutty cake. 8 nuts dancing in the breeze, Fox laughs softly, oh, oh, geez. 9 nuts spinning in a row, Turtle moves so very slow. 10 nuts tumble everywhere, Squirrel shouts, let's share, let's share. Count with me, 7, 8, 9, 10. Count and giggle, giggle and count. Nuts are fun in any about. With forest friends who play all day, let's hand again in a nutty way. Great job counting. See you next time for more nutty fun.